Yep, and just like that, I ordered another one. It's crazy. It literally just broke, and I just came straight online and ordered another one. It seems like this is gonna be a trend for me. So I think what the next step is gonna be for me, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm just gonna order them bitches in bulk. Yes, I know I am ordering some cheap lips. I just want to see which style fits the car the best, and then from there, that's when I know I'm gonna get a good quality lip that fits the car, that looks the best, and take the best care of it that I can. Damn, man, I told y'all that shit wasn't gonna last long. The lip went. That was quick, right? It literally went. So I'm not gonna lie to y'all, the lip literally broke maybe, I'll say 5 days after me putting it on the car. It's crazy. But I ordered another one. Now I do want to tell y'all this, every time I order a lip, it's always a different style lip. It's never the same lip. So the lip that I got now, it's a VSC style lip or some shit like that. It's an eBay lip, y'all. We gonna call this the eBay Mobile. That's what M stand for. eBay Mobile 3. Yes, sir. So got another eBay lip. Different style, different variant. This one is made out of polyurethane though. So different texture. It's not fiberglass, so it's more bendable, more flexible. So when I mocked it up to the car, it didn't look like it fit properly. It seemed like it needed to be molded to the car or something like that. So we're taking it over to K&J Auto Body, so they could look at the car, and they're gonna paint it. They're gonna paint it gloss black, and they're also gonna install it on the car. So let's get, well, I'm already here. It's freaking 9 o'clock in the morning. These people, they be waking up too fucking early for me, man. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm not even up yet. Like, what the fuck? But gotta do it, man. We gotta do it. So let's see what they talking. So it's another day, as you guys can see. We are with Hazah and 392. We're going to pick up the car. I just got the call saying that the car is ready. Now I know I said I was just gonna put the lip on, but I also made the decision while the car was there, just get the windshield replaced as well. So they also did that. So I'm gonna see you guys when we get there just to see how it looks. So. God damn, right here. Yeah. Y'all, I lost my fucking phone. Every time I talk to y'all, I lose something. Lost my hat now. Shit. Damn. All right, so we just pulled up to K&J Auto Body. Look at this beast, man. That's what we was just in. Let me make sure the fucking numbers on the side and they ain't blow that shit off. Yeah, they still there. Shit, sexy as shit. Alright, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I had a little sneak peek. It's not even a sneak peek. I seen the whole car already. I paid, went inside, did my thing. So now I'm looking at the car and everything looks amazing. The only thing is I need the car washed. But if y'all take a look, the lip and the windshield, it looks so much better, yo. Oh my god. Yeah, yo, I don't know. I'm hyped because it's an eBay lip and it looks 10 times better. I don't know, I like this lip. Remember how I told you guys about that forged carbon lip that I really love? This is coming in at a hot second, like a number 2. I don't know if it's because the way it was installed, maybe the way my body shop installed it, it looks good, but this is coming in at a slim number 2. Like, when I tell you guys this looks so good, I may choose this lip over my forged carbon lip. That's how crazy this is. But the forged carbon always gonna come first. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This just looks good. So we're gonna see how long this one lasts. But if you guys follow me over here, no cap, the windshield, there's no more crack in the windshield. Like, look at this. No more crack, yo. We is good. So now we're able to tint the windshield, get everything tinted. Also, my plates and registration did come in the mail. I just haven't went to Connecticut to pick it up as yet, but definitely able to tint the windshield. I was afraid to tint the windshield before, one, because of the crack, and two, I didn't want to get pulled over for no reason. So I'm good now. We Gucci in the hood. From what Zai is telling me, I gotta leave those orange things on there for the next couple days, just to make sure that the windshield adheres to the car. But that's gonna be up there for the next couple of days. Alright, so basically what I was explaining to y'all, this is the whole complete next day. The lip that I got, it cost only like I think $130 on eBay. But the problem is, it cost me another $300 to put the lip on. So realistically speaking, if you look at it, I spent $430 just to have the lip on the car, and that is damn near the price of the forged carbon. I could have just got the forged carbon lip altogether, but I mean, what else I'm gonna do? It's already on there. And I did order another lip, so when this one does go, you guys are gonna see the new lip, and I think it's gonna be the final lip. Like, I think this is the final lip that I'm putting on the car, and if the next one breaks, then I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm done putting lips on the car. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, but it looks fucking amazing. I love it. It looks real good. I enjoy every bit of it, and now you guys are just gonna have to wait till the next one come in. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go downstairs, hit that like button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at DiverseDJ, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Y'all be safe, you hear me? Peace.